Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are first time watching my channel, remember to click the subscribe button and also the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Yes, you guys can see I'm still wearing the same clothing as my last video because I filmed this after my last pre-video. I filmed it together at the same time because I got some time, and I also went a bit gaga and shop quite a lot during this festive season. Yes, and you guys can see from the heading today I'm sharing with you something which I first time got it. Is from Valentino. Yeah, Valentino. Actually, I have two unboxing to share with you today, and I think you guys will be quite shocked on what I get. And also, if let's say you guys know me well enough, you should expect that also. Okay, without further ado, let's start with today unboxing video. Okay, so this is the paper bag. I think they didn't give a like festive season paper bag, so this is like, I guess their original paper bag is in red in color, very red, like rose red, and written Valentino on both sides is also in red color. So I would say if you look closely, then you'll know it's from Valentino. If not, you might not know it's from which brand. Yeah. Okay, so let me share with you what I got. Yep. Okay, let's start with the first one. Okay, let me put the paper back. You guys can see the other here. The other one is here. So this is how the box look like. Yeah. So it's, I do not know how to describe this color. So but this guys, you guys can see, if you guys who got previously from Valentino should guess what it is. Yeah, this is a sneaker. So I'm not too sure how you describe this color, but anyway, it's also Valentino written here Garavani on the box with the logo. Yeah, so I would say the box is very normal. I would not say it's very attractive. I would say it's normal, this color. Maybe if they do it together with the red color, it will be more matching, so I'm not too sure. So yeah, if Valentino people are watching my video, so you guys can change of the color. Yep. So let's start with today unboxing. Okay, so basically this is how it look like. It come with extra pair of laces here. Oh, I think it's a bit, I think the glue doesn't stick very well. Okay, anyway, yeah, anyway, okay, it come with extra laces here, and also this will be, I think, the care booklet, or then yeah, it should be the care booklet. Yeah, it's a care booklet. It's a care booklet. Yep. Okay. So it's also in the same color. It's in the envelope. Okay. So let me share. Oh. Okay. It comes with two dust bag. Okay. Then it's just written Valentino here. I think both is same. Yeah. So the label is here, Valentino. The shoe bag. Yeah, but this one is in more neutral color. Actually, I realized the color theme is a bit not coordinated. I'm not too sure. Yeah, to me it's like beige, then suddenly this box color, and then become red color. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, most important is the shoe. So let me show you what I got. Okay, as you guys can see, yeah, because this is my first time unboxing this shoe, so okay, so are you guys excited? Okay. Ta-da! Okay, I got this pair of sneakers. Okay, so this is how the sneaker look like. Yeah, so basically it's I would say maybe to me I quite like this design now, because I think a few brands they also similar like this kind of sole, this kind of thickness. Yeah, but it's a bit sporty. So I think Louis Vuitton also something similar design. So that's why it caught my attention, and since I do not have any Valentino shoe, so that's why I got it. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. So it's basically later I show you nearer, so you guys can see the sole is it's still new, it's very clean. Yeah, because I yet to wear it, so I shall unbox it, then I can start wearing them. Yeah, so basically it's a white leather sneaker. Yeah, the sole. Okay, so and also the back, I think you can see a V there, quite big, the logo, so people can see it's Valentino. It's also not really McQueen style, which I unboxed before, but it's just that it's also give you a bit of height, because this is quite high. So if you want to look taller, you can wear something like this kind of sneaker, which is quite trendy. Yeah, and also on both sides is also written Valentino. So this is silver. So maybe I shall show you all nearer before I unbox the other pair. So this is how the below on the sole look like. So Valentino is here, embossed here, Valentino here. So basically I don't know how to describe, it's white in color. Then on the side of the sole there is some curved design, but it's not like Balenciaga, it's like triple layer, but it's like one sole, but they do it in a one piece. Yeah, and on the back there is Valentino here, the logo, the V, and this is in silver. Yeah, to me I also quite like this silver, shining silver, because it's quite easy to match, and also especially festive season, you can wear all this silver bright, quite looks so nice. Yeah, and also on the side, both sides, so the silver leather also on the side, from back to the side, and here written Valentino Garavani. Yeah, printed on the white leather with black wording. So and the front is look in this way. So both the side is also the same. Okay, so on both shoe, and the front is a full leather, white leather, and on the tongue is also embossed Valentino Garavani in exactly on the leather itself, so you can't really see it. Yeah. Okay, so let us move on to the next video. No, not next unboxing. Okay. So as you guys can see, it's exactly the same box. Yeah. So let me show you the next pair of unboxing of this pair of shoe. I'm not sure whether you guys will shock or not, so I shall not go further. It's exactly the same content inside. Yeah, with the two dust bag and extra pair of lace. Okay. So yeah, by the way, this pair of shoe is true to size. I also get as my Celine shoe, because I think they do not have 45, so I also got both at 44. Yeah, so but it's also quite okay. Yeah. Ta-da! Are you guys shocked that I got also the same design but it's different color? As you guys know me, I often get, if I like the design, I will get different color in different different color or something like that, so to wear it. Yeah, so this pair is exactly the same but it's in black. So this is also, so if I want something that is very classic and easy to match, I also wear this is black, but this one is a bit different. The black is in velvet. Yeah, the other one is in, now I realize it's in leather. Yeah, so this one is in velvet. It's exactly the same design but just different color. Yeah, and at the back is also same black V with the same as the silver. Yeah, so yeah, and this is the other side. So maybe I shall show you all nearer. Yeah, anyway it's the same design but just different color. This is velvet. Yeah, also same, but this one, oh yeah, but this one is in black. The other one, oh yes, it's also in black, but slightly, I would say this is, the color is more bold. No, actually I think it's dark silver here. So this one is black. Okay, so this one is totally in black. Yeah, so and on the back also same, the V, but this is in black velvet. Yeah, so also same, the logo here. Yep, and also the front, the tongue, also embossed Valentino. Okay, I I'm not sure whether you guys will think I'm crazy. How come I bought the same pair of design of shoe in different color, but to me I can match with different dressing. Yeah. Okay, so hope you guys enjoy my today unboxing video of my this Valentino new pair of sneaker booth, pair of sneaker. Yes, thank you very much, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and remember to like my video and also to share with your friends. Thank you. See you guys in my next upcoming video. Thank you. Bye bye.